Hello teachers, and welcome to the online training of 21st Century Project-Based Learning Model. This year, we meet again after we conducted the first phase of PBL model in 2013. I do hope that we still have the spirit of expanding our professional development, share experiences, interact with other teachers, and strengthen our further network. This program should be an opportunity for us to implement the lesson learned from the previous project and made some necessary improvement for the betterment of the teaching learning process in our school and foster the students' 21st century skills. As the follow-up from the last year PBL program, this year we would like to emphasize on certain aspects of project-based learning. The first emphasis is on trying out project-based learning, which support more on the development of students' 21st century skills development. And then the second will emphasize on working on project ideas, which could be conducted across subject and incorporate digital tools and resources, so that the project could be more applicable and close to the students' real-life situation. Finally, it is hoped that through PBL, we can have e-collaborative learning among schools in Southeast Asia and develop cultural tolerance among countries. To reach the goal of the program, the participant will be invited to join two kinds of training: online training and face-to-face training. In online training, in this phase, it is needed to get mutual understanding among participants about issues and challenges in project-based learning. And then we also talk about project-based learning across subject. And then we also talk about 21st century skills in project-based learning, as well as integrating Edmodo in project-based learning. It will be also the first stage of planning the PBL pilot project. Prior to face-to-face training, online training will be conducted for 1 month from 12 May to 12 June 2014. And you can see the detailed schedule in this slide. The online training will be used for sharing experience, discussion, and brainstorm on the main aspect of project-based learning that we are going to work on during the face-to-face training later. Therefore, online activities will be a crucial element to prepare all of us later in the face-to-face training. In the online training, there will be 8 big groups, and you can see here in this slide which group you belong to. And each group will be guided by one online tutor. After finishing the online training, we are going to have the face-to-face workshop. This workshop will be held in 3 days and it will be conducted after online course. This phase is needed to enhance participant understanding in the 21st century project-based learning across subject, concept and implementation to work together with the partners in planning a pilot project for the students, and also to explore other tools that support the activities by integrating 21st century skills. By the end of this face-to-face workshop, participants should present and share the result of the discussion in an online forum. And then the illustration of the workshop you can see in this slide. After finishing the 2 kinds of training, and then we come to the implementation. Prior to starting the project-based learning, we are going to have a pre-test. A pre-test will be conducted to measure the amount of pre-existing knowledge on the project topic and to indicate to the students the learning level of the project. The pre-test will be related to the topic of the project, which is climate change, and we'll be covering different school subjects, among others are math, biology, geography, and English. This test will be in the form of multiple choice and essay and will be conducted online using Edmodo. After finishing the pre-test, you are going to do the implementation of the project-based learning. Schools have to implement a pilot project for 1 month and should be across activities among students in other countries based on the PBL design agreed during the online as well as during the face-to-face workshop. And then Simulec facilitator are going to assist and supervise during the pilot project conducted. At the end, teachers have to make a report by using template provided by Simulec and share this report to the forum. After finishing the implementation, a post-test will be conducted to measure the learning as a result of the project implementation and to see the appropriateness of the learning process. Similar to the pre-test, the post-test will be conducted online using Edmodo in the form of multiple choice and essays. The coverage of the test will be based on some school subjects such as math, biology, geography, and English. After finishing all the implementation process, at the end, the implementation of the project-based learning, each participant school will join the international online seminar conducted by Simulec and will have to present and share the result of project-based learning model implemented in their schools. Simulec will evaluate the result of this implementation based on some criteria, among others, the suitability of the PBL with the timeline, and the teacher effort in ensuring students' learning, the teacher effort in supporting collaboration among students and schools, and the success of the project implementation. Awards will be rewarded to the 3 best schools in the implementation of project-based learning. Well, I think that's all the overview of the program for the 21st century project-based learning model, and I hope you enjoy your learning journey with us. Thank you.